solving with our parallel lines using algebra. So if these two lines are parallel, let's call them L and M. So if L is parallel to M, and here we have a transversal that cuts through lines L and M. We already have discussed the different pairs of angles that can happen. So let's take a look at what could happen. If I have that this angle is 8x minus 7, and this angle here is 6x plus 9, these would be in the position of alternate interior angles. And if you have alternate interior angles when your lines are parallel, they will be congruent. That means that these two expressions would have to be equal to themselves. So 6x plus 9 would have to equal 8x minus 7. So I would go ahead and solve. So I would subtract 6x from each side. Now I'll only do that to my like terms. Leave me with 9. 8x minus 6x is 2x plus 7, minus 7. I'm going to add 7 here and get 16 is 2x. Divide by 2, my x variable is 8. So when I have alternate interior angles, those two expressions would be equal to each other, creating the equation. If I had alternate exterior angles, they would also be congruent. If I had corresponding, they would also be congruent as well. So those three angle pairs, the alternate interior, alternate exterior, and my corresponding would all be congruent. Now if I change the problem up a little bit, and I put a different expression, such as 2x minus 3, I now have two expressions in the same side interior position. Well, same side interior and same side exterior, these two are going to be supplementary, meaning these two expressions are going to add up to equal 180 degrees. So let's take a look here. This means 8x minus 7 and 2x minus 3 equal 180. Well, I have variables on both sides, so let's combine my like terms here. An 8x and a 2x make a 10x. A negative 7 and a negative 3, a negative 10 is 180. We solve for x, so we'll add 10 to each side. 10x is 190. We divide by 10, and x is 19. So we have two things going on. If you have alternate interior, alternate exterior, and corresponding, those angles would be congruent, therefore they'd be equal. You would set the expressions equal. If it's same side interior or same side exterior, they would be supplementary. And if you notice it, we'll keep the s's together. It's a good way to remember it. Same side means supplementary.